Hello, welcome to the Consultant Care Corner. Let's talk warranty replacements. Norwex strives to produce safe, sustainable, and effective products for you and your homes. Along with that, Norwex backs its quality commitment with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you are not satisfied with your product, please call us here at Consultant Care. In order for us to successfully submit you or your customer's warranty replacement, we will ask a few probing questions to help our product team gain a better understanding about your requests. Can you tell us how the damage was noticed? How long have you been using the product? And we would also like to know how you're using the item. For example, what surfaces are you cleaning? How frequently are you using the product? And what types of mess do you typically clean with this product? In addition, we will also request a photo of the item's condition and the product lot number. Thank you for stopping by the Consultant Care Corner. See you next time.